learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The oldest religious center in Hualien County is the Fuyuan Baoan Temple. Built in 1888, the temple is dedicated to Xiaohai Chenghuang, a protector of people and town. Every year, the local residents celebrate Chenghuang's birthday by holding a temple fair and drumming activities, which has turned into the annual Battle of the Drums event. This year's Battle of the Drums will take place this July at the Fuyuan Elementary School in Ruishui Township. There will be professional drumming troops as well as adult and student groups. If you enjoy a good show, then don't miss this event.
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我是Bingo Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And it's the month of July, so there's got to be a lot of events, especially outdoor events that are taking place, and maybe we can learn more about it through Leo right here. 现在是7月份了哦，这个暑假的时候应该也莫非会有一些这个节庆啦、活动啊，是不是可以介绍一下？
哦，当然啦，其实暑假期间我们就带大家去法莲跟水米好了。
哦，法莲就是花莲嘛，
对
，East Coast 花莲、法莲的什么？
水米，
水米做水爷啊，对呀，花莲做水爷啊，有毫米。
但是跟你讲的字都不太一样。嘿，水米这写成现在的中文就是水尾。
水尾。
对，但是你在花莲绝对找不到这个地方。
对啊，没有听过水尾花莲。
其实它就是瑞穗乡。
Okay, now that's a famous township. 瑞穗乡，其实大家都知道了，这都听过嘛，对，可能还去过嘞。But literally it means 水尾啊，尾巴的尾嘛。
对，水迷。
哦，literally in Hakka it's water tail. 好，这里有什么活动？
它有一个叫做鼓王争霸战，鼓王争霸战啊。
This is a drum competition, battle of the drums that are happening over in 花莲。我还不知道这个活动这我一定要去看，叫做什么鼓王
争霸战。
争霸战 ，OK, literally that means the battle of the drum kings. 那会不会有初学组呢？
是为了你设计的吗
？Why not? Why not? Please, I want to participate. So, if you get a chance, go to the East Coast 花莲，
法莲，
然后在瑞穗乡。
水米乡
that township called 瑞穗 and it's all about 鼓王争霸战 Check it out this summer and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka
什么泰嘎
俺只say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.